first thing on the test, convert this angle to DNS. It is 32 degrees. How many minutes?
37.
You all agree?
Sure.
And how many seconds? What?
4.8.
We do seconds to a hold up. 5 seconds? All right? That should be simple. All right? Now, convert this number to decimal degrees. 3 places. What? Very good for remembering to say degrees. Do you all remember this? Now, when you do this tomorrow, this should be pretty easy points, shouldn't it? This is not, this is just getting them around, right?
Wait, how did we, I think I did something wrong. How did you get 0.282?
What did you get?
0.26.
Check and see if you put it in right.
So you do 16 divided by 60, don't you?
No, you do 14 degrees, 16 minutes, 55 seconds, enter. Right?
No, I didn't know you had to do that.
Well, you don't have to. You can do it the long way. Convert this to radians. And it says, do not round. You know what that means?
Don't round.
That means you leave pi in the answer. What'd you multiply by? Yes? Anybody have an answer? Is that what you got?
Yes.
Everybody okay with that? Somebody keeps moving. Do you hear it?
I heard it.
I thought it sounded like it came from.
I don't know. There's nobody in the hallway.
It sounded like it came from as soon as I
There's nobody out there. If it's you dinging, tell me so we can get it turned off.
I left my phone open in a lot.
So you're good.
I'm good. Yeah. So if it is me, that's shocking.
All right. This time, convert to degrees, round to 1 decimal place. Kate, do you know how to do all this? Okay. I didn't know I couldn't remember what days you were absent that you would have missed something.
Yeah.
Tell me if I say something you don't remember.
Okay.
What do we get?
246.
Do you all agree?
Yes.
Everybody's okay with that? Still easy?
So far.
So far, okay. There's nothing on the test that we haven't done. It's just making sure you remember, right? Okay. This angle, I want a positive coterminal angle. What do I add to it?
2 pi.
Nope,
360.
360 because it's in degrees.
Oh, okay. I had the right
650
thing in my mind.
degrees.
Yeah.
You did, but you,
Just the different.
yes. If you add 2 pi, it won't get you where you need to be.
650 degrees.
Do you all agree, 650?
Yes, I do.
Now, how about a negative coterminal angle?
Negative 70 degrees.
We're too fast for that. Negative 70? Negative 70 degrees? A positive coterminal angle. That's a positive coterminal angle. What do I add this time, Lily?
2 pi.
Very good.
Oh, yeah. I did it wrong. It's
19 pi over 6?
I don't remember how to do that.
We're adding 2 pi, which means we're actually adding 2 pi is the same thing as this.
Yes.
Or you could have in your calculator added 7/6 plus 2 and then put pi with it. Do you all agree 19 pi over 6?
Yes.
What is a negative coterminal angle? Negative 5 pi over 6?
Yep.
Are we good? All right, I will tell you there are 18 questions on the test.
18.
Only 18.
Oh. Okay.
How many do you want?
Okay. It's worth 200 points.
Yes.
I would rather there be more questions.
We just have one question.
No! That's a horrible idea. If you get it wrong, you know,
It's
it's
one
0%.
question, but it's A, B, C, D.
I would do that.
Just A through Z.
Yeah, yeah.
Just do the stuff that we did yesterday. Each.
Have we done anything hard yet?
Not
Not
yet.
yet.
Okay, we are on number 10. So we're more than halfway through.
Okay, so at least get a 50%. Yeah.
So this we should make it
You only should get 100 points. Sounds like a lot more than 50.
All right. No, we're not. Who said we're getting in the hard part?
This is the hard stuff. The hard part.
We're like slowly getting there.
You are given this. What is S?
Arc, yeah.
What is R?
Radius.
What is theta?
Angle.
Angle in what?
Radius.
Radians. So my directions say find the exact length of the intercepted arc. All right? You are given theta is 225 degrees. R is 3 yards. Find the length of the intercepted arc.
Does intercepted like anything?
Intercepted means it's the arc we're talking about. It's drawn the radius twice, and it's the arc between them. You think?
Yeah. Is it 15 pi over 4?
For S?
Yes.
I don't know. I didn't do it.
How so? Yeah.
It says find the exact length.
5 over 4.
What is 5 pi?
What's 5?
What is the angle?
The angle is 5 pi over 4.
Did everybody get that?
Yes.
Yes.
I forgot how to do it.
Yeah.
Multiply by pi over 180. Yes, you have to convert it to radians. Is that where you were off?
Yeah.
So S is equal to 3 times 5 pi over 4?
Yeah.
That's not 5 pi.
It's 15 pi over 4.
Well, I thought you would do the, you have to multiply. Well, I know that. I was thinking I would, it was, you have to multiply 3 times 5, and then you're adding it to 5 pi over 4.
I have no idea what you just said.
Do we agree?
Yes.
So you can do this.
Yeah.
Now notice, did you notice I said that formula is given?
Oh, it's given?
You have to know what the letters stand for,
Okay.
okay? But it's given, the formula itself is given.
It's good.
All right, now, you are given and you were also given what is the little w? Omega.
The angular speed.
Angular speed or angular velocity. But it is omega, the Greek letter. I was going to ask what that stood for, so you got it. What is theta? What is t? What is v?
Linear velocity.
Linear velocity? What is r?
Radius.
Radius. So we have a ceiling fan rotating at 80 revolutions per minute. And the length of the blade is 3 feet. What is the angular velocity. Well, no. I'm using this formula. Yes? Do you agree with that? Okay, if it turns 80 revolutions a minute, how much is one revolution? In radians. 2 pi. Because all of this is in radians. Anything to do with this has to be radians. So, you agree theta must be 160 pi.
Yes.
You agree with that? So, is angular velocity equal to 160 pi radians, right? In 1 minute. Yes, yes. That would have got you partial credit, but I think you want full credit, so I'm trying to help you remember. Okay, are we good with this? Now, what is the linear velocity? Is linear velocity omega times the radius?
Yes.
What's omega?
160.
What's the radius? So is it going to be? Okay. 480 pi what? Oh, linear is a measure, because we put in the radius of 3 feet, didn't we? So feet per minute. Are we good?
Yes.
That one was a little bit harder.
I just have to remember to put
You have to remember to put measurements, and there's little bitty things in there to remember. All right, let's go to trig functions. That's a lot of Larissa, isn't it? All right. You were given the point. Are you really watching the little kids outside?
she's saying it's my brother. I can't see my brother. Oh, he's dancing. Oh my gosh, I remember that. Maybe I did the survey about the flights.
Here is my point.
Oh gosh. You just look at, oh man.
Find the exact value of all 6 trig functions. What's first?
Oh, you gotta find the hypotenuse. Wait, is it a unit circle?
Is it?
Why did you tell us that?
Actually, hold on. It's supposed to be a unit circle. So do I need to fix this?
But I can, you can do it out. No, because those points can't be a unit circle. Yeah, because you do like the square thing and you do the plus and you do the... What?
feel like those can't be a unit circle.
That is accurate. It equals to 0.375.
Yeah. Shoot, I already wrote it. Oh, God, dang it. Dang it. Pen.
Oh. Maybe it's not a unit circle. That's what I'm trying to tell on the test if it is or not. Let me check it.
Well, I do not know how to do that. Wait.
Wait, there's just
I don't know how to find the hypotenuse.
I don't even know how to.
It's like, no.
It's not a unit circle. I don't know what it is.
It's a unit circle.
It is a unit circle.
It's a unit circle.
I was like,
I'm
come on,
gonna check it.
Isn't it?
It's fine.
I bet it is.
Yep.
Just take your word for it.
It's a unit circle.
shoot. That's all the test is going to say, like, if it's a unit circle.
It doesn't say. It is a unit circle when you do this. Because we haven't done it when it's not.
So you have to check.
No, I'm telling you it's a unit circle.
Oh, okay. Oh, got it.
What trig function is first? Because you have to know the order to write it.
Sit or sign. Sorry.
Whoa.
We don't talk about that.
We do not sit in this class.
So don't you already know tangent? If you know tangent and cotangent.
Oh my gosh, you know them all. What is sine of the angle?
Oh, it's a unit circle.
Oh, I can see it.
Oh, no.
So what is the sine of this angle?
-3/4.
What is the cosine of this angle?
Radical 7/4.
What is the tangent of this angle?
It's
-3/4
radical
over.
7
Wait a minute.
Oh, shoot.
-3 radical 7 over 7.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's accurate. I got it right here according to mine.
Awesome. That's enough confirmation.
So you're saying -3 radical 7 over 7,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
Yes.
What's next?
Cosecant.
Cosecant of theta is,
-4/3.
We can just split that.
Yeah, we can. Yeah. It's just
you can what?
We can like use the reciprocal and that's
Yes, yes.
Yes.
What is secant?
4 radical 7/7.
4 radical 7 over 7?
Yep.
I don't know time to figure this stuff out.
What is the cotangent of theta?
negative radical 7 over 3.
What? Wait.
So I got a unit circle trigonomical. What's the word?
Trigonometric?
Trigonometric. I have the unit circle trigonometric functions. I understand that. That makes sense. I know how to do that.
See, I just take a lot longer to figure these things out than Chandler does to figure this out.
It's okay.
But then on some things, I work it out faster than you do.
minutes, like the second, but
1,000 minutes a second. Right. Chandler's mind goes 1,000 minutes a second.
like if I did it wrong, like I just tried up, but like I did it wrong.
That would be pretty impressive.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How does that phrase go? It's like 100 miles a second or something.
100 miles an hour.
No, it's 100 miles a second.
Miles a second.
That's a phrase.
Not like a second.
I've never heard anyone say that.
Miles per minute.
100 miles per hour. No, okay, it's not. It's like a term for like whenever someone moves really fast.
Yeah, I
That's
know.
fine when I first.
Okay, if we're going to work it faster, you might want to pay attention.
Okay. Oh, I thought this was.
What number is this? On my test.
16.
I'm not ready. Oh, we're okay. I understand what this is happening.
This is given. find the exact values of the other trig functions. Okay, I have a question.
Yes.
What quadrant should I be in?
You're going to be in second.
Cosine is
No, you're not. What is x?
all state classes.
What is x?
5.
5. What is y?
Negative radical 39.
What is r?
1. 8. Yeah, not 1. 8. Sorry.
So I better be in quadrant 4.
Because all student state classes and cosine is positive.
So I'm here.
Dang, we're good.
We said x was 5, y is negative radical 39, and r is 8. What's my next trig function?
Tangent.
What is tangent?
Negative radical 39 over y.
What is next?
Cosecant.
Cosecant.
8 square root of 39 over 39.
What is the secant? And what is the cotangent?
5 radical 39 over.
Negative.
Or negative. Yeah, negative 5
39.
radical 39 over 39.
Good with that?
Yes.
Yes. 16.
16.
Did we have to draw a triangle?
No. But some people need it, so when I do an example, I'm going to try to get everybody. All right. Use your calculator to approximate the values. Round to 3 decimal places. Yes? What?
Since we put it in as a decimal, do we have to change the settings on our calculator?
No.
Okay.
But did anybody check to see if their calculator was in radian mode?
How do you check that again? Just a moment.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Mine just stays in gradient.
No, it doesn't, because there are certain things you do on the calculator that will flip it.
What?
You're probably not doing them yet, but later in the year there are things we will do that it will automatically change it. So you need to be in the habit of making sure because that was an easy problem you would miss just because you didn't check.
Dang. That's tough.
Is anybody in here in chemistry?
Sadly, good question.
When you do any chemistry on this, you'll have to go to degree mode. So
Maybe
that
that's why
would-
I got the answers wrong yesterday.
Use your calculator.
Yes.
You used your calculator
I
what?
used it to check my answers. And I was like,
Wait, what? This is matching up. And his name was like, maybe that, right? I was like, what's this?
What is this?
I just cleared everything on my calculator.
Decimal places.
Oh my gosh. I know how to do it. I just...
1.025 or 35. Sorry. That's the 1.035.
oh, I think science.
1.035.
Yep.
Guys,